Integral and Red Hat are solving the challenge of identity and access management securely, seamlessly, and at citizen scale. And we're doing this with supported open source software that's affordable. Citizens want easy digital access to your government services or their information. When they log in, they only want to tell you once, no matter which government service they're using. And they want to be confident that their data security won't be compromised in the process. In short, customers expect you to take care of the digital complexity behind the scenes so that they can have a seamless experience. If banks can do it, social media can do it, and telecom companies can do it, why can't government do it? We are the Amazon, the Facebook, the Netflix generation, and we expect digital government to be available now.
Yeah, delivering connected digital solutions in government's not easy, right? It's a difficult space to operate in. One of the key enablers for that, and for any digital solution, right, is to be able to identify your customer digitally. So the challenge for governments is that they have to achieve exceptional customer and digital experience without compromising security and privacy, identity and program costs.
So, is open source software the right choice for identity exchanges?
So we think that supported open source is actually really the only way to achieve effective whole of government identity management solutions. There's a number of reasons for that. Obviously cost is a factor, and having an open source platform on which we can deliver population scale identity solutions at low cost is a really important thing for government. There's a couple of other things though. In the open source space, you get a lot of flexibility. So the flexibility to extend, the flexibility to customise, the flexibility to integrate. And in a whole of government setting where we've got a whole range of departments, whole range of applications, whole range of different existing digital identity frameworks, we've got federation to national and state level. Having that flexibility to integrate and extend is really important. And the third thing is probably the standard support and the way that continues to evolve in the platform. So having a whole open source community driving the development of these pieces of technology is a really good way to ensure that recent development and standards and all of the underpinning technology that makes an identity management platform work are available and kept up to date. So we've been lucky enough to deliver 4 pretty significant projects across the country in the identity and access management space. We've done, or are in the process of delivering, 3 whole of state government digital access and identity management solutions for Queensland, Western Australia and South Australia. And at a federal level, we're delivering a whole of sector identity management platform for the sports sector, which spans all 3 tiers of government, including federal, state, local and non-government organisations as well. So we've been assisting the rollout of the digital identity product that's supporting the implementation of their platform. That is the platform that will digitally connect the sports sector and enabling identity brokering and federation sharing across that sector is what we've been helping them with. There's a number of unique challenges in that space. Obviously scale is one, but the participants in the sports sector already have a range of identities. So they might have their social identities, they might have existing government identities, they might have identities with the sport organisations they interact with. So effective implementation of identity brokering and federation, seamless access based on your choice of identity is a really important thing.
To achieve these successes with the whole of government identity and access projects, Integral partners with Red Hat. This gives clients the power of the world's leading enterprise-ready open source software delivered by Integral, Red Hat's top ANZ and APAC innovation partner.
Red Hat had great pride in awarding both our ANZ Partner of the Year and our APAC Top Innovative Partner of the Year to Integral last year for 2 reasons primarily. One, all of the work that they've done with CDR in the open banking space, and now that's evolving into other vertical markets, and also the work that they've done around identity access management. for organisations, taking again open source technologies and solving business problems for their customers. They've done that in the cloud, they've done that in on-prem, they've done it in ways that are absolutely innovative and delivered great customer experiences, great business outcomes for their partners and their customers.
Our Red Hat partnership is the most important relationship that Integral has in an organisation. Some of the fun stuff we work on is payments related, so we've done a lot of new payments platform implementations on OpenShift and Red Hat technology. And more recently we've been working a lot in the identity and access management space, leveraging the Red Hat technology and particularly Red Hat SSO for identity and access management platforms.
Citizens are demanding of government an improved customer experience. Red Hat and Integral together, using our experience, knowledge and innovation, deliver on that expectation.
Integral and Red Hat, delivering a controlled and frictionless customer experience with whole-of-government identity exchanges and access management, making digital government possible.